Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Retail. This is my actual voice. He's just too excited. The box that you see right behind me, I don't know from where it arrived. He paid for it. And I don't know what is inside that box. He knows what's inside. Let us unbox it. Why don't you do a normal unboxing? Sure, but just the unboxing. So I'll be cutting this open. I know for a fact that it's saddlebag from Rynox. It cost me around 5,350 bucks. Hope I don't cut the bag itself when I'm trying to rip it open like this. Does that happen to somebody? That will be a really sad unboxing experience. Oh, no wonder. These two are tied up. This is the saddlebags in flesh. Let me just push this off the way. Wow. This looks pretty neat, to be honest. It looks very premium. It's hard case saddlebag. It's not waterproof, but I'm hoping I get a rain cover inside. The saddlebag comes with 3 straps. This one, the second one, and there's a third one right over here. You basically strap them across your seat and you let the saddlebags hang on the side. I'm very sure you will need a saddle stay in order to keep the bags away from hitting the wheel. I do have a saddle stay, but I still don't have it on. But I'm definitely going to keep this on the 390 and show you how it looks. So this is a 25-liter saddlebag, which is expandable up to 32. The finish quality looks good. I mean, the kind of price you're paying, you should ideally get a really premium product. Not talking in the range of GV, but still, the brand is quite a lot of money. It does come with a rain liner. It comes with straps so that you can convert it into a bag and wear it to wherever you want. It's completely red inside so that you can spot things easily. It's got good reflectives around so that in the dark it's visible to other people. It's got reflective over here, and this is a small pouch where you can keep your water bottle. I have my own hydration pack, so I'll probably be using this to carry WD-40 inside this. There is the zip over here which will help the bag to expand, and then it becomes 32 liters. To conclude, it looks really premium. I'll probably post a long-term review once I've used it for a while. For now, I'm not I haven't used the product as much because I've just unboxed it. It wouldn't be right for me to post a review so soon. Let me just quickly show you how it looks or how it goes onto the motorcycle. The idea of having these two saddlebags is that you can strap them on each other, something like this. Ideally your saddlebag, and this will go right on. So let me just quickly show you how to put this on the bike. So these saddlebags just go and sit on the bike like that. That is how it's supposed to look once it's done. Bro, your 390 is a little too naked, bro. Because it's a naked bike, bro. No, I know it's a naked bike, but it's a little too naked for a naked bike. Hey, come on!